On August 14, 1947, India was partitioned, leading to the creation of Pakistan as a new nation. This came after years of British rule and intense negotiations. British Prime Minister Clement Attlee announced India's independence on 20th February 1947 and appointed Lord Mountbatten to oversee the transition. Mountbatten's 3rd June plan proposed dividing India as the only solution to the escalating tensions. The plan also allowed princely states to choose whether to join India, Pakistan, or remain independent. The British Parliament passed the bill on 18th July 1947, and on August 14, Pakistan became independent, followed by India's independence on 15th August. The partition led to the displacement of 10 to 15 million people and triggered widespread communal violence, resulting in millions of deaths. The Bombay High Court, established on 14th August 1862, is one of India's oldest high courts along the Calcutta and Madras High Courts. It was created under the Indian High Court Act 1861, which unified the courts and transferred judicial authority from the East India Company to the British government. The court's jurisdiction covers Maharashtra, Goa, Dadra Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu, with its headquarters in Mumbai and benches in Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Goa. The current English Gothic style building, constructed between 1871 and 1878, is a significant architectural landmark with a grand courtroom. On August 14, 1987, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan became the first non-Indian to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. Born on 6th February 1890 in Peshawar, he was a staunch supporter of non-violence in the Indian freedom struggle, earning him the title Frontier Gandhi. He founded the Khudai Khidmatgar organization to uplift the Pashtun community and contribute to the freedom movement through non-violent resistance. Though he sought a separate country for the Pashtuns during the partition, his demand was not fulfilled. After partition, Ghaffar Khan moved to Pakistan, where he was imprisoned for many years. He died under house arrest in 1988. Kuldeep Nair, born on August 14, 1923 in Sialkot, was a renowned Indian journalist, writer, and human rights activist. After the partition, his family moved to India, where he completed his BA from Lahore University and later earned a master's degree in journalism from Northwestern University, USA. Nair began his career as a reporter for English newspaper, working with major outlets like The Statesman and Indian Express. He also served as the editor-in-chief of the UNI news agency. Nair was a strong advocate for press freedom and human rights, opposing government censorship during the emergency in India in 1975. In 1990, he was appointed to the Rajya Sabha, and in 1996, he served as India's High Commissioner to the United Kingdom. Throughout his life, Nair received numerous awards for his contributions. He passed away on August 23, 2018 in Delhi.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
Chandrakant Deotale, a renowned Indian poet, writer, and teacher, passed away on 14th August 2017. Born on 6th November 1936 in Jaulkheda village, Betul district, Madhya Pradesh, he made a significant impact on Hindi literature. Deotale's poetry is known for its deep understanding of social issues, particularly the lives of women, exploitation, and social inequalities. Some of his notable works include हदों में छुपा ज्वार, देहों पर खून से, लकड़बग्घा हंस रहा, and रोशनी के मैदान की तरफ. In addition to poetry, he also wrote essays that enriched Hindi prose. Deotale received several accolades, including the Sahitya Academy Award in 2011 for his poetry collection Patthar Fek Raha Hu. Rakesh Radheshyam Jhunjhunwala, a prominent Indian billionaire investor, stock trader, and chartered accountant, passed away on August 14, 2022. Born on July 5, 1960 into a Rajasthani Marwari family, Jhunjhunwala became known for his sharp investment strategies. He started his journey in 1985 with a capital of 5,000, making his significant profit of 5 lakh in 1986. Between 1986 and 1989, he earned 20 to 25 lakhs rupees. By 2022, his investments had grown to an impressive rupees 11,000 crore. Notably, his largest investment was in Titan Company, valued at over rupees 7,000 crore. At the time of his death, Jhunjhunwala's net worth was estimated at $5.8 billion, ranking him as the 438th richest person in the world.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.